Hello, this is Mr. Tech Talk. After the month of October in the operating system wars, Microsoft Windows has surpassed Android. I would say they are the same considering the margin of error. The other operating systems are at a steady line. They don't go up and they don't go down much. Just look at the numbers. Windows 37.38%, Android 37.28%, and iOS, which is the third place, 13.62%. Nobody can touch Windows or Android. It feels like they are just fighting for global dominance. I think it has a lot to do that Windows and Android are in a lot of brands and products. Apple really has no chance to be one of the most used globally. One, only Apple can sell you the Apple operating system. And two, for most of the world, it is too expensive. Then we have the unknown, which is probably the Amazon Fire operating system, Kindle operating systems, and we have Linux with 0.81%. I think that has a lot to do that not much people know about it, or they are scared to change to an open source operating system. I don't know for you guys, but for me, it is a very interesting graph. This was Mr. Tech Talk. Until next time, see you guys later. If you like this video, give me a like. If you love it, subscribe. If you don't like it, you know what to do. And leave in the comments what operating system you are listening to me right now.